Hey besties! So, are you ready to lose 1 kg every month consistently and in a way that actually fits your life? You are in the right place. So, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create your very own 1 kg per month weight loss plan, and it's going to be step by step. Remember, no crash diet, no perfections, just real life and real results. Let's get into it. So before I start, let me take you through why losing 1 kg per month is a powerful goal. One thing you have to know is losing 1 kg a month is sustainable. It doesn't overwhelm your lifestyle. So you're still living your baby girl lifestyle. It doesn't take over your lifestyle. And guess what? It adds up over a year. So can you imagine over a year you'll be losing 12 kg? That's good. That's super life changing. 12 kg in a year. Wow. And most importantly, it builds confidence and momentum. So, your step one is to know your why. Why do you want to lose weight? Why are you so keen on losing 12 kg every year? And one thing you have to know, it's not just about that number 1 kg, 12 kg. You have to know the reason behind your why. The real reason. Is this for your health? Is this to motivate your kids? Is this for your partner? Is it for your confidence? Know your why. For me, I'll say get a journal and write it down. Write it confidently, write it boldly. I want to lose 1 kg a month because of fill in the dot. Because guess what? When your motivation dips, it's gonna dip. It will dip. Your why will keep you going. Yes, that why you've written down will keep you going. Step two is to build a routine that actually fits into your lifestyle. This routine must fit. It must be that missing piece to your life. It has to go hand in hand with your life. You don't need a full gym schedule. You just need to eat right. By eating right, I mean clean 247. I've done a video in the past where I shared my routine to you. If you haven't seen that video, a link will be added to the screen. So I'll just give you a brief summary of my routine. For me, my routine is intermittent fasting every day. That's between 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. I also do a monthly 3-day tummy detox, detailed in the description. I drink a minimum of 1 liter every day. Some days is more, some days I go up to 2 liters. I don't joke with my steps. I walk on a daily at least 8,000 steps every single day. I also do balanced meals, not restrictive. So I'll say pick 2 to 3 habits that you can stick to. Start small and build your way up. In this community, we are aiming for consistency and not burnout. Step number 3, create a simple meal strategy. So this step is all about your meals. This is not a diet, this is strategy. Keep it simple with this method. You know, your plate method, where you do half veggies, a quarter lean protein, 1/4 carbs, and healthy fats like olive oil, avocado. You know the deal, you know the drill. So the pro tip here will be prep your meals beforehand every day. Keep healthy snacks on hand. Try my monthly detox if you feel bloated or just off track. This way you're not thinking about food all day. You've got your simple plan and system covered and you're good to go. Step 3, done. Step 4 is movement. Oh no, my bestie. At this point, I didn't realize my sound had stopped. So I'm just going to do a voiceover. Please forgive me. Okay, let's continue. Step 4, like I was saying, is movement. When I say movement, it's not going to be our usual movement, not the way most plans push it. You don't need to train like an athlete. You just need to move your body daily. You know, find options that work for you. You can do brisk walks around the park if you have a park, or you can just walk around your house. If you've got a big compound, you can just walk around your house. You can do dance breaks. You can even turn on YouTube and just follow through a YouTube workout. The goal is to move daily. You can also do house chores. Yes, that counts. A lot of people think that house chores does not count. My dear, if you do house chores, especially house chores when you're doing it all by yourself with your AirPods on and you're really, really sweating, that counts. That's all I'm going to say for step 4, movement. It's very important. So, what's your favorite way of moving your body? Tell us in the comments and continue to do more of that. Now, let's get back into the video. Step number 5 is tracking your progress, but gently. This journey, besties, look, this journey is more than numbers. So, you've got different ways to track. You've got the monthly weigh in, which you can do from your home. Take progress photos as well. It will encourage you to just see your journey, your progress. Track how your clothes fit and also track your mood and energy levels. Remember, the scale is just one tool. Celebrate all your wins, even the small ones. Bestie, so now you've gotten your full blueprint on how to build your own 1 month weight loss plan that actually works for you. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Like this video, comment, I'm ready in the comment section. Subscribe and join me every week for real routines, accountability, and real results. We can do this 1 kilo at a time. Let's go. Remember, be healthy, do healthy. Take care, bestie. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.